In recent years, Nordic countries have taken increasingly coordinated steps in defense cooperation. In April 2025, Sweden, Finland, Norway, and Lithuania jointly announced a major arms procurement deal to purchase several hundred CV-90 infantry fighting vehicles together. This isn't just a large-scale military acquisition. It's a strategic move to standardize platforms, enhance interoperability, and strengthen collective defense across Northern Europe. During a joint press conference in Stockholm, Swedish Prime Minister Ulf Kristersson and Lithuanian Prime Minister Kęstutis Paluckas officially confirmed the plan. The two leaders stated that a letter of intent would be signed later in the spring. Finland and Norway have also signaled full support for the procurement. Why choose the CV-90? While it may not be the newest vehicle on a battlefield, it's a proven, combat-tested platform. Originally developed for the Swedish Army in the late 1980s and introduced in the 1990s, the CV-90 has since evolved into a highly versatile family of vehicles used by multiple nations. Its reliability, adaptability, and firepower make it one of the most respected tracked infantry fighting vehicles in Europe. As of now, Sweden operates the largest CV-90 fleet, between 545 and 549 vehicles, covering multiple variants. These include the mainline CV-90-40, equipped with a powerful 40mm Bofors automatic cannon, as well as specialized versions for command, reconnaissance, air defense, recovery, and fire support. Finland, for its part, acquired 102 CV-90-30 FIN vehicles across two procurement phases in 2000 and 2004. These vehicles feature turrets assembled by Patria in Finland and hulls built in Sweden. Finland has already launched a midlife upgrade program, set for completion by 2026. Norway was an early adopter, initially purchasing 104 CV-90-30 Mark I units in the 1990s. Since then, it has upgraded most of them to Mark III standard and acquired an additional 41 new Mark III units. After selling 35 vehicles to Estonia and placing a new order in 2021, Norway's active CV-90 fleet now stands at about 129. Lithuania currently does not operate CV-90, but it is actively negotiating with Sweden, Finland, and Norway to join the joint acquisition effort. For Lithuania, this would represent a major modernization step, allowing it to transition from older Soviet-era platforms to a cutting-edge NATO standard system. In total, the CV-90 fleets of Sweden, Finland, and Norway already number around 770 vehicles. With the planned expansion, the total number of CV-90 in the region may approach 900, creating the largest single concentration of CV-90 in the world. This joint procurement is more than just about numbers. It's a strategic effort to deepen Nordic defense integration. A unified vehicle platform greatly simplifies logistics, lowers maintenance costs, and increases tactical interoperability. As Swedish Army Chief of Staff Major General Johnny Lindfors put it, the goal is to enable cross-development, cross-procurement, and cross-usage among the Nordic countries. Norwegian Army Major General Lars Lervik also emphasized the importance of avoiding nationally customized configurations. The idea is to create a seamless, interchangeable system across the region, one that works both in peacetime training and in wartime operations. So why the CV-90 specifically? Beyond its local origin, the CV-90 has a track record of performance in real-world combat, including deployments in Afghanistan and Ukraine. It's powered by a 550 horsepower Scania Di-16 diesel engine, reaching speeds of up to 65 kilometers per hour. That makes it ideal for rapid assault, infantry support, and high-mobility operations in complex terrain. The CV-90 platform can be configured with different weapon systems, from 30mm and 40mm automatic cannons to anti-tank missile launchers. It also supports modern battlefield electronics, such as night vision, thermal imaging, and digital networking systems. Optional cage armor improves survivability against RPG, while ongoing upgrades continue to enhance its performance and protection. CV-90 has grown into a highly modular platform. The CV-90-30, used by Finland, Norway, and Switzerland, features a 30mm Bushmaster 2 cannon. The CV9035, used by Denmark and the Netherlands, mounts a more powerful 35mm Bushmaster 3. Sweden's fleet includes command vehicles, artillery observers, recovery units, and anti-air variants. One special version is fitted with the Mjolnir twin mortar system, offering close fire support. The platform is also being used to test cutting-edge technologies, such as unmanned turrets and hybrid propulsion systems. This ability to adapt has helped CV90 remain relevant across multiple generations of warfare. Even so, the final procurement decision has not been set in stone. According to Sweden's Defense Material Administration, the acquisition process must follow open competition rules. Several competing platforms are still being evaluated, including Rheinmetall's Lynx, KNDS's Jaguar, and the XM30 being developed by General Dynamics in the US. While CV90 is seen as the logical continuation, it isn't guaranteed to win. If all goes forward, the total number of vehicles to be replaced or supplemented could approach 870. For example, Finland still operates roughly 100 Soviet-era BMP-2, which are expected to be replaced by the new vehicles. At an estimated price of €9 million per vehicle, total program costs may reach as high as €8 billion. However, deliveries will be phased according to vehicle age, budget cycles, and operational needs. This joint CV90 program is just one part of a much broader push toward defense standardization in the region. The four countries are also working toward unified military uniforms and are developing common 155mm artillery shells with interchangeable components. These efforts point toward a strategic shift, one where NATO's northern flank moves from fragmented national forces to an integrated collective defense posture. In the future, Nordic armor brigades will no longer be just Swedish, Finnish, or Norwegian. Instead, they will operate as a unified force, trained to the same standards, equipped with the same vehicles, and ready to respond together. The CV90 will be the backbone of that transformation. And in the years ahead, this northern battle wagon may once again prove its worth, not only on the battlefield, but as a symbol of a new era of Nordic defense unity.